While internal components and features may vary by brand and model, the installation instructions covered are applicable for the Maytag dishwasher models listed. Model number may be found on the appliance's outer carton as well as on the interior left side of the tub.
Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock.
Excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install dishwasher. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury.
My name is Phil Lally. I'm the Product Service Manager for Whirlpool for the dish category, and today we're going to cover the new installation of a new model line we've got out that's going to launch in February of 2020. It's a new design dishwasher from the ground up, so there are some installation differences from what you're used to in the past. But if you have a model that has a door handle that comes shipped inside the unit, the best time to install that is while you're got the unit laying on its back, because there's 2 studs here. You just slip the handle over it, and there's 2 Allen wrench set screws that you're going to want to tighten, and it's a lot easier to do it when it's laying on its back rather than when you set it up.